Okay, this is an Eveready number 411 battery, and you can get replacements for them around 21 bucks. But I wanted to restore this one, so what I did was I uncurled the folded over metal part there on one end, this end, and I just pushed the guts out. Here's the guts, and this is a 15-volt battery. So inside, what I did was I push it back out. There. Oh, I got it upside down. Okay, here's what we have. I took made a little carrier for 5 CR2025 3-volt lithium batteries. So there are 3 volt times 5, that's 15 volts, so that satisfies the battery voltage there. And I made this little carrier. It all comes apart just out of a solid piece of plastic. There, oops, there it is. And you just put, and I put a little spacer in here, I need that, so that the battery negative gets the negative terminal gets pushed up enough for contact. And I took the original tabs from the battery, soldered them onto a little tin terminal that I made there. So that just slides on there. Stick your batteries in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the positive terminal. So here's the positive terminal of the original battery, soldered to the terminal, the little tin terminal that I made. Just put that on top, like that. And then, got a little plastic insulator here. Put that on top. By the way, you notice the yellow tape on here. That insulates the side of this terminal so it doesn't short out any of the batteries in that stack. So put this back on top. Put the insulator on top and shove it in there. And this end is positive, so we put the positive end in first. There, get the insulator in there. There we go. Okay, doesn't want to go in. Went in before. Oh, maybe fits better the other way. This way. Try this again. Put it on there. That on there. And try again. Insulator in there. And in she goes. There we go. Got a restored Eveready 411 battery with a stack of 5 CR2025 lithium batteries that are 3 volts each.